What's going on YouTube? Kevin here from TGITechday, and I just have a quick follow-up video regarding something that I mentioned in a previous video. So you guys should know that I do have a series on Mac OS X line features, and that's actually what the title of this video is, but this is a follow-up on my full screen applications video. And you guys might be wondering, well, why do you need a follow-up video? You covered it pretty thoroughly, or at least I hope I did. And the thing is that I actually didn't discover one thing, and it's actually pretty key, and you guys might find it very, very useful if you guys are the type that need to be very productive. So one thing that I mentioned in that video was that there was no real universal or system-wide way to launch an application into its full screen mode. And while part of that remains true, part of that also is false, as in there is a keystroke that will allow most, if not some, actually, it's not all of them, but at least most applications that support full screen will be able to use this small keyboard shortcut. So let's fire up Safari. This keystroke works with Safari. If you go obviously to the top right, you can click on this and then it'll go into full screen mode, no problem, just like we're normally used to. But if you go to the view menu and you go to the very bottom, you'll notice that says enter full screen, and that's very key. And you see there's a modifier keystroke there. For those of you that can't read modifier keys very well on a Mac, that's Control, Command, and then F in that specific order. Of course, I can just click on this, and then that will obviously bring it into full screen. But you'll notice that my mouse is down here in the description box. If I don't move it at all, don't go to the menus, don't go to that symbol at the top right corner, press Control Command F, and then all of a sudden Safari zooms into a full screen application, and you can use it just as you would a normal full screen app. And of course, you can close by hitting escape. You can close it by going to the top right corner and closing that out. But just to let you guys know, there is a keyboard shortcut for that, and just to prove that this works in something like Mail, again, the mouse is not moving. Press that keystroke again, and then you can view your content in a full screen application. Now, earlier in this video, I said that this partially remains true and this partially remains a lie. So what I wanted to show you is that this doesn't work with every single application that supports full screen mode. So if you fire up GarageBand, this is one example that I found that doesn't work. Of course, you have this symbol up here on the top right, which means that yes, you can put it into a full screen mode. However, if you go to the control menu here, you'll see that that keystroke, which again is Control Command F, is assigned to do a different function. It's supposed to show the tempo in the LCD display, which is this down here. So if I actually do that keystroke, you'll notice that this LCD changes. And so that obviously won't put it into full screen. And actually, if you go up to Window and it says enter full screen, you'll notice that there's no keyboard shortcut for GarageBand. So again, this won't work with every single application that you guys try, but this will work out with some of the more basic ones like Mail and Safari. And I'm pretty sure it will work with most of the other applications that Apple has installed native on your machine. I know GarageBand technically is native on your machine in terms of iLife, but that is just something that I had to tell you guys. Hopefully you guys found this helpful, and if you guys haven't already, please feel free to rate, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next tech day.